Good evening, Ijas.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for grabbing the job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So myself, Meenu, I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So give an introduction about yourself, Ijas.
Myself, K. Mohammed Ijas. I have done diploma in civil engineering and both BE in civil engineering from PA College of Engineering, Mangalore. And my native is Kodagu. That's all.
Okay. So how do you come to know about CMTI?
It was by social media and online websites, ma'am.
Okay. So you have preferred advanced construction management course, no? What all the things you have learned? You can a little bit brief and tell me.
Yes, ma'am. It was like related to construction, what is required for the site. Apart from theory, like technical knowledge, like what we have to do in the site, like sequence of construction and like building, like QS and BOQ related estimation. That's all, like materials.
Okay, you went for site visit, right? Site experience. How was the site experience? What are the things you have explored?
Yes, ma'am. We have also visited various sites in Bangalore only, ma'am. Like Victoria sites, like BGRT, one of the green building sites, and completed, finished buildings, and also on progress buildings also, ma'am. Like we could talk with the engineers who are all in the sites and gain the knowledge from them. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, so how did you crack the interview?
Like
So how many
interview was
rounds?
interview was like two rounds, ma'am. Like one was like technical written test, ma'am, and another was like online, like call and all. It was good, ma'am.
Okay, okay, so how was our trainers? Are you comfortable with them? How was their guidance to you?
Train Trainers were good, man. Like they were all experienced trainers, man, in the field of the construction, like Natarajan sir, Asher sir, like for the construction, and for interiors like Anthinathan sir and Ashok sir also, like mentoring us all the time. That's all.
Okay, you know about our CMTA app, right? How much do you like our CMTA app?
Yes, ma'am. CMTI app was helpful, ma'am. Like when we were on leave, the missed classes and other extra knowledges also we could have go through with CMTI app, ma'am. There are various uploaded videos related to construction and all, ma'am.
Okay, would you like to refer CMTI to your friends?
Sure, ma'am. It was a good experience being in a CMTI like for past 2 months, and it would be helpful for the freshers who are coming to the in the field of construction or interior. Like it is like a bridge course between, like from the college studies and other technical studies. It is like a bridge filling the gap between the this knowledges, ma'am.
Okay, what do you want to tell to your juniors, just from your point of view? So who's willing to do this CACM course? What do you want to tell them?
Like focusing on the daily works, like assignments, focusing on these things and studying. That's all.
Okay, short and sweet. Thank you so much, Ijas. Thank you for your wonderful feedback. All the best for your career. Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.